Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols, sulfonation and nitrosation of phenol. First, we are going to discuss about sulfonation of phenol. What is meant by sulfonation? Addition of the electrophile SO3H plus is called sulfonation. SO3H has two names. One is sulfonic acid. Another one name given to SO3H is sulfonyl group or sulfo group. In all aromatic sulfonation, sulfonic acid name is used. Compound name first followed by sulfonic acid. Only in benzoic acid sulfonation we use this word sulfonyl or sulfo. To add this electrophile to benzene ring, we require concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Separate SO3H from sulfuric acid SO3H. So remaining we have one hydrogen and one oxygen HOSO3H. Phenol undergoes sulfonation with the concentrated sulfuric acid C6H5OH. We know OH group in phenol is ortho and para directing group. With the concentrated sulfuric acid and when heated to 280 Kelvin, ortho hydrogen now is separate. It undergo reaction with the concentrated sulfuric acid HOSO3H. 1H plus from benzene ring, ortho carbon atom, and OH minus from sulfuric acid is removed as H2O. SO3H plus is added to this ortho carbon, gives C6H4OH. Here you have one SO3H is added in the ortho carbon atom. It is a major product. When the reaction is carried out at 280 Kelvin, we will get only the ortho product. Ortho phenol name end with sulfonic acid. Ortho phenol sulfonic acid. When the temperature is raised to 373 Kelvin, 373 Kelvin, one para hydrogen undergo sulfonation with concentrated sulfuric acid, para H plus and OH minus removed as H2O. This SO3H plus is added to para carbon atom, gives our para product C6H4 1OH. One SO3H is added to para carbon atom with the loss of 2 molecules of water. This is your para phenol sulfonic acid. Para phenol sulfonic acid. Generally, the ortho product obtained as minor, para product major product. Because in ortho product, the two functional group are in the adjacent carbon atom. Therefore, there is a steric hindrance takes place. At the same time, repulsive force between these two group increases. Therefore, the major product is para in this sulfonation. Now, we are going to discuss about nitrosation of phenol. Nitrosation of phenol. Nitrosation. What is meant by nitrosation? Addition of nitroso NO plus electrophile to the benzene ring is called nitrosation. For that, we require nitrous acid. It is a mixture of sodium nitrite and HCl. Molecular formula HNO2. Nitroso group is present in nitrous acid. Separate NO from HNO2. Remaining you have one H and one O. Phenol undergo nitrosation at para carbon atom C6, H5, OH when treated with nitrous acid. This is OH. When treated with the nitrous acid and heated to 278 Kelvin, one para hydrogen is separated. Nitrous acid molecular formula HONO. One H plus from para carbon and OH minus is removed as H2O. NO plus nitroso plus electrophile is added to para carbon atom, gives C6H4. Here you have one OH, another NO is added to para carbon atom with the loss of H2O. What is the name of the product? Para nitrosophenol. Para nitrosophenol. This is nitrosation of phenol. So in this video we discussed two types of reaction, sulfonation and nitrosation. Next video we are going to discuss the Scotton-Goldschmidt reaction or Golf reaction. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.